A clinical investigation plan is a document that outlines the reason why we conduct a clinical investigation, defines the objectives we want to reach by conducting the clinical investigation, and how we want to reach these by defining and justifying the design, the proposed analysis, methodology, and verification methods, mostly done through monitoring of the conduct and accurate record-keeping of the clinical investigation. There are many other terminologies you will hear through this course and any subsequent courses. WMDO has created a glossary of definitions which can be found in your course room. Who does what in the process of developing a clinical investigation plan? Usually, the manager who is responsible for clinical investigations at the sponsor site writes or supervises the writing of the clinical investigation plan. This person needs to be qualified both in writing the document and the scientific and technical aspects of the clinical investigation and the investigational device. A clinical investigation plan needs to be reviewed by all parties involved. Who are they? First of all, we have the investigators, who will have to comply with the requirements outlined in the document once they agree to participate in the clinical investigation. Other parties are the biostatistician, regulatory functions at the sponsor, and, when appropriate, the sponsor's management. Before circulating a document to outside parties, make sure that the internal management at the sponsor is in agreement with its contents. So we have two agreements here. First, the sponsor's internal approval of the final document, and then a written statement from the investigator stating he or she will abide by its requirements. The sponsor then ensures that all parties are properly trained about the document, and this training is recorded in the training records or meeting minutes. Such documentation is then filed in the appropriate investigation archives.